হাজবেণ্ড যিহেতু ছিংগাপুৰ গৈছিলে, মই কৈছিলো যে জুবিন দাক চাই অহাৰ কথা কৈছিলো আৰু তেখেতে চাইও আহিলে বুলি কৈছে। যিহেতু তেখেতে যেতিয়া গৈছে তেওঁক অলৰেডি ডেড বডি ৰুমত লৈ গৈছিলে আৰু কি কেনেকুৱা দেখিলে আজি তেখেতে হাজবেণ্ডে ক'ব যিহেতু আপোনালোকক, আৰু তেখেতে আহি পাইছেহি এতিয়া। আপোনালোকে তেখেতৰ লগত পাতি শুনি লওক।
Namaste. Actually, I feel very sad for Zubeen Garg already passed away because my wife, she also liked so much, and I also like his song very much. I have heard before, and I feel very sad about hearing about that he suddenly passed away. Then quickly search online what happened to him. Then it was written that he went for scuba diving in the morning. Then after that, suddenly he has cannot breathe. A breathing problem. Then they bring him out. Then after that, they are giving him CPR. But it never success. Then he already passed away on the way. Then they bring him to the Singapore General Hospital to see the doctor. Then I today visited there, and I visited the doctor who do the treatment also in the emergency center. Then the doctor asked me to wait for a while so that I can go and see how he is. But unfortunately, I am not able to meet because after a while waiting there, they told me that they already bring his body to the mortuary and nobody is allowed. Actually, there are a lot of Assamese people coming there for visiting and seeing. They keep in the mortuary in block 9, if I'm not wrong, they said. And maybe they are going, since they not allowed me to go and see, and then I just come back home. This is in reality sometimes very sad to hear this. I really very sad for this. I hope he peaceful his soul, and God, please thank God for get peacefulness as well.